Hey there, welcome to Grandma Janice Builds Legos. I'm Grandma Janice. I'm trying to get all my birds and animals for spring in, and I just got this little parrot today, and I'm gonna sneak this guy in. I just realized Easter is April 5th. I thought it was April 15th. Don't ask me why. Who knows? 15th isn't even a Sunday. But this is the Creator 3-in-1 305 8-1 6+, 66 pieces. And make sure we have it all out of there. I am going to put it up by my other parrots and see how they look similar. I should do that with the Tropical Toucan too. All right, let's get going here. Okay, being an animal, it builds like many of the animals we do. So we have components here. We got a tail piece we can snap on. All right, and then we have a wing we can snap on, and a wing the other way, and his head is on a swivel, which I guess will allow us to let it turn. Look at that, look at that. And then he is going to sit on this piece, which I did not figure out which way he's going to sit there. Looks like it's like this. You know, I always have trouble getting these on here. Oh, there it is. There it is. Ta-da! So there he is. He was very componentized. The interesting thing with this little parrot, he does also make a butterfly. Oh, where's it at? There's a picture here where there is the little butterfly here. It tells you to download the instructions. I did see the butterfly on here. So I do have another set. I'll probably build the butterfly because butterflies are actually a priority over the birds. But since it came as a bird, we'll build a bird. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things. If you've done something fun with your bird, let us know. Thanks for watching.